Former Matsapha Town Council CEO Gciniwe Fakudze has joined Swazi Mobile as Chief Customer Executive. Now, Fakudze was announced as Chief Customer Executive of the mobile company by the acting Chief Executive Officer of Swazi Mobile, Jeff Penbutton, during a press conference. We report.
After 17 years of working in local government, former Matsapha Town Board Chief Executive Officer Gciniwe Fakudze was unveiled as the new Chief Customer Executive of Swazi Mobile. Fakudze was announced as Swazi Mobile's Chief Customer Service by the company's acting CEO Jeff Penbutton during a media briefing.
We've been able to convince Gciniwe Fakudze to join Swazi Mobile's team to help us deliver the promises we've made and make Swazi Mobile the company it's supposed to be. So we're very, very excited today to have her join us. She's joining us as the Chief Customer Executive, primarily responsible for service delivery and also for the formulation of products and value propositions for corporate and individual customers in Swazi Mobile. So we're really, really excited today to have someone of her caliber join us.
Gciniwe Fakudze said she is not coming with promises of self-delivery, and she comes with no promises that will say Gciniwe this.
But to the nation at large, the beautiful thing about Swazi Mobile is that it makes a Swazi believe in what is born in Swaziland. And what Swazi Mobile has come to do in this country is to let us realize as Swazis that Vision 2022 is about Swazis getting up and taking their rightful position in their country and in their economy. So I'm glad to be joining a team that is living Vision 2022, and I'm glad to be joining a team that has nothing in heart and at mind but to deliver on the promises that we've made to the Swazi citizens.
Gciniwe was welcomed to the mobile company by, amongst others, Swazi Mobile Chairman Victor Kametse. Gciniwe's new role at the company will be to ensure that it delivers services to customers the right way, as she will be in charge of service delivery, in addition to formulating value propositions for corporate and individual customers, essentially everything that make Swazi Mobile customer-centric. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Sibusiso Ngubane in Mbabane.